viewers, to another episode of The Big Leap. And I'm very excited to have with us today Mr. Mukesh Kumar Gupta from Wealthcare Securities Private Limited, New Delhi. Many of us in the industry know him because he is much older in terms of experience and the way he has seen the industry shape up in front of him. That's a story by itself. Mukesh ji is a CA, he is a CFP. He has been on the distribution side, working with distribution organizations before starting Wealthcare in 2003. Now he leads a team of MBAs and CAs who have been in mutual fund distribution and other parts of financial services. So Mukesh sir, thank you so much for being a part of this, taking out time for Big Leap. Welcome. And we would like you to start about how did your mutual fund journey begin?
Yeah, I was doing my chartered accountancy way back. I qualified in 1993. Even my student days also, I was quite attracted to the market, doing the IPO thing, making some small money. And then we made a lot of money and lost a lot of money. So that was the quite the learning. And actually, I paid the learning cost very initially. And जब भी हम पीछे बैक में देखते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है कि उस टाइम पे इट वाज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट बट नाउ वी सी कि बिकॉज आई पेड अपफ्रंट इन द वेरी बिगनिंग तो उसके बाद कभी हमने लॉस नहीं किया वी मेड लॉट ऑफ मनी फ्रॉम द मार्केट ओनली एंड माई सेल्फ एंड माई इन्वेस्टर ऑल्सो दे डिड नॉट लूज लॉट ऑफ मनी कि आई ऑलवेज से टू माई क्लाइंट कि आपको ना इस मार्केट में यू विल हैव टू पे द लर्निंग कॉस्ट सूनर इज बेटर लेसर इज बेटर आप जितना लेट सीखेंगे उतना आप ज्यादा हाई कॉस्ट प्राइस पे करेंगे So after qualifying my CA, then I joined in this industry only with the RR. Then I was with Birla Group, and then I started on my own in 2003. I formed this Wealthcare Security Private Limited.
आपके पास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का बैकग्राउंड था, क्लाइंट्स थे आपके पास, बट शुरू के क्लाइंट्स कैसे जुड़ते हैं जब आप खुद स्टार्ट करते हैं, थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए।
नहीं ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट था बिकॉज इवन इफ आई वाज इन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आई वाज मैनेजिंग द चैनल सो आई डिडंट हैव एनी इंटरेक्शन विद द डायरेक्ट क्लाइंट. So being a CA, you have little opportunity. You CA gathering में you have your friend circle as a chartered accountant who have intern their client. तो आप उनके बारे में awareness करते हैं. And in a way, I started with the cold calling actually. Cold calling में the unique model we followed कि उस time पर जो मोबाइल नंबर स्टार्ट हुए थे तो इनिशियल नंबर जो होते थे 9 ना बिल्कुल जो पहले स्टार्ट हुए तो we took the random call ki 981000 से स्टार्ट होता है he must be HNI the person who is paying 16 rupee per minute वो पैसे वाला होना चाहिए so we started that way so initial number पे और that was true also जो person who was carrying the old numbers they were really rich so वहाँ से करना appointment लेना then slowly हम इसमें start करते गए उसमें or one after the another referrals we keep on giving the references referrals वहीं से सारा business built up हुआ है.
So after the initial getting the clients in this manner, what is your view after seeing this for such a long time, that do the referrals work or do activities work to get new clients to engage with, say, a setup like Wealthcare Securities? What is your view on that?
Both things work. मतलब referral is the lifeline and it also gives you the confidence also. Unless you get the referral, only when we get the referral, only then we know that the client is satisfied with us.
Yes.
And the more satisfaction we get when we get the invitation for their personal functions. So we have made it very clear to the relations manager. I will presume that the client is very close to you when you get the invitation for their personal function. That is the last thing. Actually, normally client will call you when he's fully satisfied with you and he treat you as a part and parcel of your family. So that is the one. And second, our marketing has keep on changing. So now from last 2-3 years, we are mainly focusing on other than referral, we are mainly focusing on the digital marketing. In digital marketing, we are quite active and we have made lot of clients through digital marketing. Even if you search our company name, Money Financial, our name will come in the first page of the Google basically. From that financial planning point of view also, actually this is most searched keyword in the Google. We get lot of clients who are looking for the financial plan.
I know I've seen that Wealthcare has been very active on Facebook and all Google active search. I've seen that. So my next question was, when you have been managing clients for almost now close to 2 decades, how do you see them managing their aspirations, their emotions during difficult times? What is your view on that? How do you manage clients in such in difficult times of the markets and investments?
Actually, even in the 2007, when the market was going high, when the market was going down, so we are very strict. We write the email. We at the height of the boom time in 2007, we wrote the email, sent SMS. This is the bubble forming, and then please get out of it. Some of the people accepted our recommendation also, but many of them did not. So, but after that learning, after seeing the crashes and the rebound, now the client don't ask so much actually. They say you do whatever you want to do. We have seen because they are with us from last 17, 18 years. So they know we know the cycles, and most of the time, normally 70, 80% of the time our calls are right.
Sure.
So actually you learn from the previous bubbles actually. So unless what we say ki you experience, you go with the advisor who have seen couple of cycles in the market. So
Mhm.
unless you see these cycles, otherwise you will either you will be very bearish or you will be very very bullish about the market. What we say, don't do very smart investment. But if you can avoid the big mistake, your investment journey will be much smoother.
Lovely. So is during in within this, not try not to do big mistakes. How do you see asset allocation playing for your clients and as a part of the whole portfolio which is managed by you?
Basically, there are two approach. One, we run our own valuation model. That valuation model indicate what kind of product we have to choose. So if the valuation is higher, we will stop investing in the equity fund, and we will move gradually to hybrid fund, and below that then asset allocation and debt fund. So that is the for the fresh investment.
Hmm.
And for existing investment, we follow the asset allocation model. So whatever asset allocation we have discussed, we do their review report. We take it very seriously. We make a quite exhaustive report running into 20-25 pages every half yearly, depending upon the client, quarterly, half yearly, or annually. And every review report we recommend ki this is what we agreed upon this, and now this situation has changed. We need to do this much. Fresh investment model work, and for existing investment, this asset allocation work.
Lovely. So how has been 2020 as a year for business for Wealthcare, and what how has that determined your plans for 2021?
In a way that everybody say ki 2020 was bad, but this has been very good for us from 2-3 points. Actually, we got very new account through referrals only because
Okay.
the client who were with us, they had a positive experience versus others. So we got many clients,
Sure.
and plus our productivity improves tremendously. Actually, earlier we were using the technology earlier also, but our
Hmm.
client were not using the technology. Now the client have also used the technology, so actually our engagement level has increased through the use of technology. We have cut down on the physical meeting. So instead of meeting once in every quarter, now we will meet once in a year, but we will over the video we will meet every quarter. So engagement level have increased actually. And plus I am catering to now client from the Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune. So now the whole India is our target market. Earlier we were just looking after this NCR region only.
Lovely. I think that's so. Here I would just bring in my colleague Shashank from Delhi office, who has been engaging with the Wealthcare Securities team. So Shashank, you would like to share your experience dealing with Sir and with the rest of the team?
I would be of little words because Mukesh sir, who had seen so many market cycles, I think his level of knowledge, his level of business dealing is far exceeds our thought process. But still, one interaction that was the first. I can say that was the first interaction for me as an RM of Mere Asset to Wealthcare Securities. It was my first call. Then when we did one IAP with Wealthcare Securities. In that IAP, knowing Mukesh sir, who has been nominated for CNBC Advisor of the Year award and whose quotes are a part of big publishing house like ET Wealth. So even distributor, being a distributor of that stature, he was very involved. Even post the investor awareness program, he was very involved with each and every client. So I can see that is, I think, that is my observation, that would be a core learning from him for the whole distribution fraternity.
Right.
So,
Thank you, Shashank.
Thank you, Sasank. Thank you.
So, sir, I would just end with from your experience, what would your advice be to other MFDs or anybody who's looking at this as a profession for the future?
Yeah, this is a fantastic profession. I never crave up. I see people who crave it. This is our choice. And what a better way. No capital requirement, just knowledge addition, and you can start from the day one.
Sure.
So no entry bar. So I think once you try to believe earning the trust of the client, and trust in the long term is much, much cheaper. So if we can resist the short-term temptation, so now we have clients, they intend to give me, you take all the decision. So though we inform them, we educate them. So earning trust is the first thing. Second, my advice will be to become a multi-product actually. Unless you have knowledge about all the product, you cannot do justice with the one product. Only when you understand all the product, then you know the pros and cons and which one is suitable for the client.
Sure.
So try to go for the multi-product and then select the best one for that. And now the millennials are coming. Millennials are a different kind of investor to deal with.
Yes.
And tomorrow millennial will be HNI after a couple of years. So we need to keep them on, though they may have a small ticket size today, but after 5-10 years, we need to deal with them. And when you are dealing with them, they are using through technology, then they need the best of that. You need to compete with them with the best of the technology. Because if you are a small, so that will not cut the ice with them. This is the smaller fellow, so let me compromise with the quality of the service. So we need to make it higher, basically, and use the technology to the full extent. Now, after this COVID thing, now the client is habitual of, they have also adopted the technology. So you can increase the productivity much, much higher, basically. So now, basically, sitting at here, you need not to open even the branches also. If you just go and meet once in a year, and then if he is happy, then you can serve the client sitting here. And just watch the trend, what kind of trends are emerging. International fund, many people were not investing. We took it a little early. Index funds are coming. Basically, these are what kind of categories are emerging. We need to basically adopt that. So earlier is better. The sooner we adopt the emerging trend, that will be better for the client and better for our business also.
Lovely. I think मेरे लिए तो जो आपने बताया, I've always seen you cool, composed for decades now, managing a business, being able to give a holistic view. I remember during some of the debt issues also, the way you have handled it by being upfront with your investors. I think it has rewarded Wealthcare Securities over a long period of time, and I've seen it myself. So we wish you all the best, sir. Thank you so much for your association with Mirae Asset. Thank you for taking out time and being so generous with your views. And I will end with what you summarized at the end, that for evolution, you need to keep on adapting.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.